Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Silverado, and today I'm going to show you how to change your language between English, Spanish, or French. So first, you'll start your vehicle if needed and wait for all this to load. This is the factory radio. If it looks different, you might have some aftermarket installed, which would be different buttons. But from here, we'll scroll. This is the home screen. Go to settings, push menu to enter. If you have to go back for some reason, hit back. But from here we'll scroll. The second one is language, push enter. And here you can switch between French, Spanish, or English. So let's say we want Spanish. It just auto changes everything, as you can see here now. Obviously I speak English, so I'm going to change it back to English. So we'll go here, menu, scroll to idioma, back to English, menu. That's it. I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.